Yes, it's overcast. Sort of an ominous looking shot right now from downtown San Diego. Above the clouds of downtown, we are looking at overcast conditions with the potential of seeing some light drizzle, heavy mist. So those clouds are laid on pretty thick this morning, thick enough where they're actually changing temperatures for the morning hours. So in comparison to yesterday, we're seeing a big jump in temperatures, especially closer to the foothill and mountain communities that you are. We're about 12 degrees warmer for Ramona, Julian, as well as Alpine, and anywhere from 1 to 5 degrees warmer for the coast and inland spots. Here's a quick look at current temperatures right now. We are sitting pretty mild, already close to 60 degrees in Escondido. Meanwhile, we're in the mid 50s for spots like Ramona as well as Kearny Mesa. Good morning to you. Already at 62 degrees. So downtown San Diego, one of the big winners as far as the warmer temperatures go west of the mountain areas. And we're seeing a mix of 40s and 50s for our mountaintop. 60 degrees in Borrego Springs and 72 right now in Ocotillo Wells. Here's what I have on tap for today's highs. We will be slightly warmer for the coastal areas in comparison to yesterday, but slightly cooler for the inland valleys where we'll top out in the low 70s later on today. Mid to upper 60s expected for the mountains, and we'll be in the low 90s, warm and sunny in our desert areas. So here's one of our long range models. So not as accurate as far as which neighborhood specifically will get some showers later on this weekend, but it does a really nice job highlighting kind of the bigger picture. So right now we're in between two systems. We have high pressure to our west and the center of low pressure bringing more rain and mountain snow to areas of Montana as well as Idaho, parts of the Pacific Northwest. This guy right here, though, it's going to dip south. So even though that trough of low pressure stays north, a secondary one this weekend will dip south, and that will give us some light showers. Dodging Saturday, but looking more likely Sunday morning. It looks like it will be a very light shower event. If anything, we'll get maybe a few tenths of an inch, maybe hundredths of an inch across the board. Coastal areas will be in the 60s and low 70s all the way through Saturday. Then all of our microclimates will see a big drop in temperatures on Sunday. By Sunday, some of the microclimates will be anywhere from 10 to 20 degrees cooler when we compare Friday to Sunday. Meanwhile, the desert areas will be in this trend of the low 90s, and then we'll be in the 70s by the latter part of the weekend.